den odia da bia do aho den dom ye da bia wo kan ye ho da bia wo dom ba nyansa nim de antiase ne hurumu a ode ensem papa dom ma wie bre menim se na no penso be fa no so aka nsem se da nwura wo fa no so na ma hu ne wo se ye ne wiase ya se da yam fi tin ko hye ne ma bia se menim se na no penso wo nsem de ma tiefo fa mu kasa ne fi mu kenka ne fo bone fo ne hye ne na se bia so ne akoma nyinam ne ntewo nsem e wudi ne abompai amen
amen. Read Radia Sister Radia Yadom Amande or the Ache, original Yamisha.
Amen.
Christianity, a yama biaso do ube rambi.
Sika FM.
Dano na me kasem bi se. Mimi tuwe. Ni sakura no bomia. En kama. Oba me ma me ho obo wi an mabusa so wi. Ni salo. Ni nipa. Dia me ye biasa me sana dia me ye ne good. Na ba boy da me. En fa ho ne dia obaye. So some committee amamu atwa. That is me.
Good.
Now, obi amfan to the trim say aduma we starting KJT you preaching. Unko KJT anko busha say na Ebenezer am friend say me friend original Ebenezer sanu mi nyina ni no. And I want internet everywhere. Odi apa ko na net so ko he. Ye wo so no. Nti so brother minim say wo de yaw. Because if you did my tema na ya but I'm not how. Me did you cause we are to my yamia. And I'm a mum to be any matemu. And yamia. Cause we are doss. This idea your book was say we are doing your dinner tema.
And
yamia. Then Mr. Bibi, that they are by the album, they are making because now yamia. Then they are money hamo. Yago for yourself. Adafonum anuanom ma me no nche nyame asem tietia na asem a me no che no ebeboa ebepeje wagina yie heaven ti ana bribia ye betena ye no ache Awurade asem se de be ya wani beba wo so na ma wo so enkwaje amo ene da Awurade fa me so ka bi kire o ene me ye se ye be ko so aka na Yesu Kristo ya wadoma onso anya mu chefu go ene enipa bebre asema mo kan se na men kan se na me ka se me se nipa bia o ti asasi so o se wan sire nyame no anya di Awurade pa o ba kiro amen se yawo ora bi mu a one ya Satan burial. Yawo Arabi mo.
Sika FM.
One ya Satan burial. Churches dofu. A do for dofu. Asampaka for dofu. Atia for dofu. A for dofu. Sansana you can say apostles a dofu. Now you know a Juma na was Santa Christ.
Yes.
Ona me ameye adwuma no so wasam hweye sa meya adwuma no na nkwaje amome amen fine mesraw fa Bible no quotation bi amekotu no wonso som na fa bobra na ka sem bi se nyame otue ni paka nyame twi ni paso nyame panishi ni pa de ya nyina amen Go be Exodus chapter 15:26. Number 26. Osana oka say so otie Awurade Onyankopon ne so nya daje na Awurade Onyankopon obetie ne ne na wa de tie wona nim na wa de tie wo Awurade anim wa tie ne mara nsem ne mara nsem ni na wa tie no adi so na wa de na hyede nyina so de na hyede so ene mere mfa yade a mede go mizimfo no so biara menwu so na meni Awurade wo yare safo no de da se woni se ni ba bebre yare a de di se bayi de woni ba bebre ho Yariam Bellen, a dumb stroke, HIV, you can say hepatitis, a citron area, high blood pressure, and low blood pressure, and kidney yare hodo tell us where you yare sunsum yare we catch you ni pedua we ya physical say yare about who dia onye na about kram amen when you pedua we mu who yare bi ni dam who yare bi ni tire o tell us am class cause young confuse you tire say if you know then you tire wo mogem yes you what did you tell us
Sika FM
5 and you want to yare no you are na de yare na to won so
asempa
tasemi bra boni suba money the poor rabbi asem na action of susan sense bio
26 osina okase se wo betie awrade onyankopon wa de etere wonanim
de etere wo beye
wa tie ne maransem na wadi na hyede nyina so ene mere mfa yade a mede gu mizim so no bia na menwu so
oso mizim wade mpompo nsisiwa antom wade yare boni gu mizim so amen and this my brother nchen na mpese yare baba me so amen also the bomb agent possibility of for radio
kwasem
na me di nenu mo nsam so ania wonam fam no yare bi baba me so no simple so satan ana create yare bi a awrade be yafu obeyi create photo bi aterawo o ma na me yew awrade am kofo That's Tama.
Sika FM 1.5.
What you say?
Yes.
That's a gonorrhea yawa. Osibeyi. Sister Wadjene. So amen. Now enkoma ye dine baya ode. Deuteronomy 28:15.
Deuteronomy chapter 20.
28:15 down to 20 now.
Verse number 15. Was say aswaden ho.
Aswaden
na so diama. Na so ba say when tie.
Ola na kompa bo the memo akwankyira hodo ensia hodo bannom what you say anya vote to be yabura ebura hodo oyira hodo ye de be mawo so when you radio asem a akwankyira ne yakwa
asempa o
ye no wo be sam wa yare mo what you say me the mo anya kwasia enti atitin sadam ebi ani afra etin sadam ebi yare atata ebi emu ebi yakata bi ani frafo what you say ebi yare akoma yare anya de ketwa ni won say ye kon sorry but di awrade pe no yenye to aso kan
na so ba se wan tie awrade nyankopon
ne
so be hwe ne maransem
na so de
amele so ni yawa
no what this so na ya
eno mi nyina be ba wo so beto
on se nyame tie ni o oso no ni nyina be ba beto na je sa no me na duati
asempa o
wo bu so wo di bone no obi wo ba jo nyame a wo di bone no me ni so duati oso no me nyina be ba beto
eno be ka ukurum na no ya ka wuram eno be ka wo challenge no mo
ukurum eno me be ka wo
na wo tim
obi ba yini pa oso ni mfa so ukurum no
no wan tia se
na mo boni bia no ewade ba tene so me ya dia so ewiem obe dia ontwa
good
ewiem te na so obi ade ne ya ba hyew nsuna ni mo ho hwe enti baba sa odi traba so radi nyina so me mu asem obedi so
amen no me be ka wo challenge no mo
o challenge ono mo kodo
eno we ka wo yafunu mu aba
yafunu ba oba bodam yafunu ba ba kromfo
no me o
yafunu ba bubu oba ba fai yafunu ba yemu je me so amen o se no ma ka yafunu ba
ne wasase so aba
wana
nhwema
enu unyaima
eno we ka wo fie bam
obafia
wa difrim
eno me be ka wo na wa difrim so no me aka wo
eno be ma no me be nato
obi ntia no eno be ma no me ne brato
adapabo aba wo so ye wodo won sa be ka ye nyina mu
ye wodo sa be so adoni a wo ba ya no ye me de no me atofo
ya kusi se wo bra boni
fi trust me no mpe oni say asore ni yakono as a fashion what you say so pastor tie nyame asem ayano da what was you say the blessing of God
asemo
you see so when you say the asem na be buso you under curse Fanya mso mfa ho amesenya memu. Since no be ba besenya memu na Awurade asam ye bullshit e de ma okra. You under curse. The person me come be chew. Unimu. Opa Bible na sorry ada ho. But modern sense someone Awurade na asofo atrɛtrɛfo so. Ɛnyɛ asofo nyina o.
Dabi.
Asofo papa sem ni we. Ukofia kwa Bible num. Amen. What you say? Assembly. Ubesemi want to say. When I said so, you from Pagame Jai.
That's all.
What's it? A new Jai. A new to Jai.
9.5.
I'm planting it to Ufri. Colonia to a Munia Faso. What you say? Tell Anaka. A new Binko. They say Amen.
Amen.
Tell you. You trust him.
Yes.
Or you also don't know good idea. That's all. I can't say that. The first thing says someone, already know some sort can win the food there. And you are under the curse. I said no many but two.
Yani confirm me breya.
Amen.
Amen.
The real question be. Only say already know na dia. If I know my jago. What is it?
O se adapabo ba o so dia kozi se. Ade beba bo so dia o se be kan yin nyina me kozi se wo bra boni ndi obedwere wo.
The go adapa. The go naked. What I say? The Bible that power be able to wonder them.
No, I say what is a way jammy. It's a bunch of food. I don't know or yellow dom up from home. That's it. Or no yellow dom. I'm a family. I could see a baby was a phone of piano. The same not Benjamin, HIV. And no one some said he can't know.
No one some yari, and you got the noir. For the best young. Obama was son. No was here. Who didn't feel? No, so who would do? To us, okay. Was so funny of him, you really I was here. I was here. Cassian and Cranton was one of now a big 2 year could you say or best sell? 2 years, 2 could say I am best sell. I was waiting for the better than a call. Don't tell you that's a messy. I was not done it. Now, last year I sang Cassia in a second. I said, my dear, Fiamfia. When I'm done, I said, good for the brew. The Yannick consume talk. Then you see one Fiamfia. Now, same Padley. The village like a waiting Cassia. Oh, the big punch out the walk of Boston to see a bobia. The Libya bomb. 1 castle. Yes. If you say one show that do not coupon, then the number some worm. What I say, one program the cassette, and the number some sort of worm. And then say that this year, I am not about so. So we didn't take or say Bossomasia. That's what from a Bossom in the channel. The friendship. The Bossom phone and display the study and on our pet. Silence for the listening control. First, and the way some no who should be a dear at the Abanon. To us, okay. Verse 25. And I don't know what you account for any muncho. Account for any muncho. What I say? We try. And I don't know what you account for any muncho. What I saw it only been young. We do account for any muncho. What I probably been young. Who family who knows them? Amen. Amen. According to Proverbs chapter 1 verse 20. Go Francis on a kind of Proverbs chapter 1 verse 20. Verse number 20. What's the same afraid? Same afraid. Namo coming. What coming? Okay, chapter 1 verse 20. 20. Okay, 20. Or senior September also. 24. 24. Or some of them are coming. Already afraid. Now you are coming. I know crowd. Baby are coming. And my friend is being financial. And some sabra no one financial. To my future in our church. For this summer, or no some so. A church for the different. My son back us for theatre on financial. Na me casa che non penti. Casa tre un penti. Me so mestre mamma mia. Mamma mia, no da basso. Ma ho provato bene me uno. Anda, ho poco. Ela vai suono. Over from Radina, you were he.
Mama Poba said, I pray.
I'm a man, you're best. I'm Amen. Sister, Mentao, we said the other man, Yamashimiamo. If we say enter, you will grow a good from. So said, everybody knows how to Baptist. But a black boy, a rather good football cocoa, once you big Jew. Over the young boy. The girl young say, and performer service away there, and Yakwa. It is true, and Yakwa. Name of your bosom, name the baby, a radina and a yansa. What I say, and put the soul. You're the mother of the one. Woman, you are here. You say that yes, a woman.
89.5.
What you saw them was some about Allah. When you have been out in the Diablo, the Canocratro. I rather do museum pompo. What them pompo down in the pompo? What about bottom and Zua? Don't you go? What about bottom? What is the Zua? I need to do any trouble. I am from. I will to me, sir. What about the Adamo? What the Adamo? Ni Elifra. Ni Akuma who did it. Press, I don't know. Oh, what about political reputation said will fairly soon. I can tell you from me. No, I call you. I saw the one that didn't wash a water. Now running while I want to. I don't tell you something. Sometimes I don't say yes. There was so many prophets. There were things that the man was assembly. Obebaso. Tasimasa wa. Obi yere fano. What was a sample who to the so. We don't know what can we come. Not to me. From our camp, for do a rhythm. For do a bravo. Nobody are here. For do a hotel, I would walk. A software.
FM 89.5.
I'm a house girl and that. Who come here? Wọ́n kọ́ ló kún sẹ́ẹ̀dì ọ̀fàmà nínú àwọn nkọ́dá lẹ́nu yẹ̀yẹ́ ní asẹ́mu. Ọ̀rọ̀ yóò lẹ́nu wọ́n mẹ́yìn náà lọ́nu kọ́ ọ̀fọ́ sí tíya náà dọ́fọ́ ká lọ́nu kọ́ ọ̀fọ́ sí tíya náà tánfọ́ sọ́sọ́ ká. Ó dẹ̀ wọ́n abẹ́fẹ́ yẹn nkó pọ̀ ọmọ yìí ẹ̀ lẹ́yìn bí mu asẹ́mu. Wọ́n yẹ yẹ bàbá ẹ̀yìn yẹ kẹ́tẹ́ ó bá yẹ wọ́n bọ̀ ó bá bí bu egu hɔ stroke bá kyɛw. Yẹ́nì yé ó dẹ̀ wọ́n nim nyàmé akwan.
What's the other one? You fry
and fry. Walk on who did about the can be a kitchen. I call you a Beshamo from a father. I don't have you, Obama, for you. What is that? What can you say? Okay. You will never on when Radina Sacrum for me, Koreano. Radino was a family of my son. I'm like, so I jump again and I did 20. And I'm here at home with you. But I'm in fact, what do you try to pay? Amen. About John, you need to calm down.
FM 89.5.
What's that?
Obey your power and obey in a
Obey Obama. But I didn't know. Obey you what's the more. Someone I know when you call the first Obey. And the other woman Obama Jato from there, Papa. Yamina Obama. What would you about worry? I get one day and a Bama for running up the bar. What behind Bama, yes, or Barnacle, or Kugu and Moss. Some of that available. So the Bible Honda, the person will be a future war. Go! Revelation chapter 2:21.
I did 17 million. It's more a dream back. You're dreaming, you know, now my man, the best of such an idea. Sacra, one more breath. There is a long privilege. I say more. You should buy a woman. You need to change your heart. And to say what you say. Make them what you say on the ball. Yes. So a man blessings and sacrifice. For such a you feel the drama. No one said. I wonder anyone secure poor or say sacrifice or more period. So for sacrifice.
89.5.
This is also in sacrifice to the other young in the beton paso. Or say Only Radimami at Tompam Wonderful.
Number one in the Sawa, the enemy going here.
bom.
So sacha wura dun wo.
What I say? What you hear? Yari bom. No campaign.
Na me do wo bekum ne ma.
What you make am? What you wo bekum obenu plan. Na HIV wo yam wo kuma na hepatitis. Oba ke wo class. What the mama you fly you for share na no ankwada no. Kumu nyame. Odoba compass wo be gila to afa ntimi sare bio. Na be yare aposo. Na wo mo so no ba jaman no. Odoma go ahuhi akasie. Jeme so amen. Na fa wo ya o manso. Okumo. Obekumo. What you want to bonsam. Bayini. You need to study into condition be a court no on so tire. Trasina fa na mi di agro. Trasa dem fa na mi di agro. Me asafo. Edo awie. Ha. Me awrade ni anene nam no. We are justice God. If can be a cassette or 2 minutes.
FM 89.5.
I will do most of fast. When I could do that, who could use that for them to cook them? A little son, punishment from God about Moses. Who come Sinai. What is a Moses nearby? Miriam, dear Mama, cassette Moses. A radin so de Quatabe good so. Alan, or so for police for the kind. Oh, Israel. Oh, on the Israel for your bosom, already coming in or you say Kumero. Well, my goodness, somebody can be very careful. Ghana, your body does. You know, I say, who Christopher and Contompo. Your body will take it, and you're coming, but you're in Tessa. The Santa Christopher Ghana. You know, I tell you for the Ghana so far. A day. Can you do a dear Jetty? Can you do a deal of Patsy? Can you do what the sign? Men can say, a Santa Mama for Machi. Can you a deal or deal for Machi? Oko Akra, Kasua, and your friend say, Ojobuati, and Tony Kojobuati. Show Tabama for them. You can say
89.5.
That Duncan Williams.
That you want mercy.
I don't know, for them. My name should go. So why do you like Christopher there? Someone can say Ghana Yinsra. That can for them to carry a new train on some part. You need a sophomore do for Bonnet.
I say more.
Bonnet. The question is a high before, but you're good. You're comfort, you're do for. You're somebody at some politicians.
Papa.
I'm talking now with my experience.
Good. Your question, dear.
My young 30 years. I know my left and right.
Your question, no.
It's a story that you tell me anything on Sumpa. It's a bonnet. A fresh shotgun or to arm robber. Or something like arm robbers or bumper arm robbers. Now, arm robbers are called Robot or Kulipa. When you suffer the check, when you have a robot killer. What I say? The person of Polly, the cassette. Masa, and so I did Yagro.
FM 89.5.
Before I did Yagro. Only you fall now. Or do you want your papa? No, I'm the cool. That's the dinner you have done. What is why? That is life. Can you introduce us about all the Israelites? Every fallacy from your righteous. Na Yesu yi won secret lady. Obawa mati afaba akoso so ramdo asemka. Oso kasa dia na boy adapa. What I say? Oh, the Israelites in so fallacy for there. Oso himye momako. So amon ka ho. Amon ka. So on ba asofo na who say sabotage wom. Oba ho. Oni na fa o ma so ababi ope.
No,
that's it. It is so maybe I'm saying it's better for you to follow the steps of Jesus Christ. That's all. You need to change your heart. And the audience saying to cut on for a pack of the crop Benjamin. Trust again, he Baba, what the crowd your comfort. With the arms in the church for them, you are robbing your church members. What can I say? Now you should come. What can you say Israel? so from Israel. Other has been in Israel. But I'm not being a country. Israel wants to be a hero. If you know what I want.
Simon.
You will find robbers in the church now. False prophets and Mahanta prophets. What can you do? Listen, a community. But you need to change. Brother, what can you? Remember by the forefront. Job 33 verse 19 down to 30. Job.
Job 33.
19 down to 30.
Verse 19 down to 30. Job 33. Verse 19. What was not the young king of Sanem Paso?
What I said? We do already do who and what the young gun, you are the true or
you know, Pumida, please.
Sika FM.
Was an income maybe on the phone. And a crab pork on the Bian. And when I'm a phone,
and the family, they catch out. What is another diablo? But the young but true person. One us your pin or catch.
And when I'm a phone,
I want you to
can no power who put a dead.
No power with your cat home.
And the crab bay or say, I'm na name kwanso ben ukunfo
oja se wo onkwa ebeben ukunfo no to aso kan kosi o de say 30
se obofo di mafo wo homa no apumu ba kope se wo je woni pa de etenema no a enum na wo hunu emobo ka se koje no na wanko o se ya menemu
oja se obofo wo homa so tiri ni ho asakra wadie ala wadi ka se obofo se kono koje no no wanko se ya menemu no also you to be part of the bofu onfa jeli ko ni gama mafo okro yi what is here it won't be kuma mana
Sika FM.
o kra be wo say tell the person be a community and find somebody you need to sit down and check twice asana na no about to say and then we are telling me was sorry and she says I will not you o sere onu abeto na tiagufo o de yare aba net o bi atechero na so o pejal do ato ho na yeye freedom ko na dompa hintan kan ni panfie no wanhunu no awade ma ni pakan o dompe na be shape wo keteso efi so we free na nkopo obo o suri sa wa chikoten o ni la kansa be yo no ni be sabon sam so me awade o na fani wa di agro do ye
wase enumu na okase kwagene na se okọ wanko se ya menem na se manyana magene de a ene ne honam ye soso se emofra de
se mo jinu ya onu hu se na ya de jinu afa ya de man we de foforo na me we na soso te se mofra we de
okay no sane ko na mananti birim
na ma sa ko mananti birim bio
na okotuo nyankopon wa nani so no
na wo bu ko tege akoto wa de wani so no
na hu nani ne
na wo ku nani wani tie
no da no da sane tune na ma no
what say no da no tune na ya de ba ama o da ya rough no mo adem ko so ni dai de another soja ni di kabi wo balas ya si akofa ho o tu so shit na ni pepe ni na mo o ja na mja dem rock you still no di command am rock off ni ko fu na se sa ni jai na me rock so we di command tin me ru so tie condition na so ntesa o so sai na msi yo me da na ni am ko sai ka tire na me no nkume na so oh why so kasa yes we can say na me so nkum because on kwaje here rade na me da man what I say what you say o so soja kade
ti da so ana ya so mo
o da o ni do bi o one there is no more die in you
na anso no
oh
ni pa mo re yo
o se ya me
na yi nipa na akoyi soja
eyi ani afa no do nsi
wose no age me kra na nsa na nko se ya mene na men kwali hunu han
that's it Jeremiah 20:46 11 to 12.
Jeremiah chapter 46.
11 to 12.
Verse 11 to 12. Oh, Ababa Mizrim Baba.
Obianza hello. Osi oh, Ababa Mizrim Baba.
From Gilad Kojie Duru.
From Gilad, Froko Gilad. No Kojie Duru.
Kwara Kwana woman Duru Dawson.
Osa woman. Kwara Ko. Oja minute please. Obi to the woman Duanu Amen.
And then you had a kid to
Okono atwosie no na twa ho ahia. Wa ni so won ko won no. Wa di won no. O ho sere
kwara kwa.
Awo fa kan no hu boni a wo yeye.
Yes.
Na wa dem fa boni nchosin so be ko twiro ko panuro. O ha ho. Na no na di sinu tutu ala no. Wa na di dia no besi ho. Na wa na di yare no to so kwara kwa.
Oh, na
na hospital kwa. Tia o sere.
Duru Dawson. Sabiele ni homa. Amana maya tuwa ohera. Na wontie mo ya asase soma.
Wasa so be tiembu mi obi adete. Ofu na jefo.
Sika FM.
Ewade na wa bonu nti no wa katia ne mai. Amana wa sakrawati. Jai anajo. Emama du so no da. Emama du mo twe no da. Eji ade na hawo. Ko celebra wa ko bomas ama papa. Uya no ko robu. No atoko na the father be wuram. Uya na asa ko to wadwuma so. Na ya ni hyo. Obra ba so. Amuna wa sama no bedu. Na biru do e na be ka se ye menti afutuo. Na menti na kaka krem se wie me bone. Me kam wachi. Ayo ya bram hu ya won. Asofo be bre sa quotation so omuni. But you can't throw. Liberaso. Come on, can't throw. Jeremiah 2:19.
Jeremiah chapter 2.
Verse 19.
Verse number 19. Also obone betwa so.
Obone betwa so.
Na wonsam ye tire twa.
Wonsam ye tire twa.
Na hunu na hweja wugya Awurade wo Nyankopon.
Bomodi ane se. Wasike ne ba. Ojo so amepe amen.
Amen.
Bomodi no se yare to so a. Kan bu faso. Na no tuka emfa nso obi. Na mo huru ko na hu se. Ja wugya Awurade wo Nyankopon. Ojo Awurade wo Nyankopon.
Ni hu a wunye fumu bone ne awraho.
Boni a wo biri wo ni hu. Oja se.
Ipe ni hu kora. Yes.
What I say? Who gonna who already now coupon?